There was a young woman who woke up that day feeling extremely hungry. But this wasn't just ordinary hunger. She wasn't craving junk food. She wasn't looking for something quick. She wanted something real, something delicious, something nutritious, something made with care. So she told herself, "Today, I'm going home to cook." She walked into her kitchen, opened the fridge slowly, and looked at what she had. Fresh ingredients, simple, natural, waiting to become something special. She didn't rush. She washed everything carefully. Cut each ingredient with patience. Arranged them beautifully. Because for her, this wasn't just cooking, it was therapy. As the pan started to heat up, the soft sizzle filled the room. That sound, the gentle crackle, was the beginning of something satisfying. She added her spices slowly, mixed everything perfectly, watching the colors blend together. And in that moment, the world outside didn't matter. No stress, no noise, just her and the rhythm of the kitchen. The aroma began to rise. Her hunger grew stronger, but she stayed patient because she knew good things take time. Finally, the meal was ready. Look at it carefully. The colors, the texture, the freshness.